Okay. There's the noise. Just started. The compressor's engaged right now. That was the first time I heard the noise. We go. It was a really loud noise that time. But I had the car running for about 10 minutes, but just turned the air on. Now, when I turn it all the way this way, it clicks. So it's off. So now, you can see that wheel, well, it's hard to see on the video, but it's not spinning in front of the AC compressor down there. I'll go back. Before, I was hearing a clattering that would happen regardless of whether the AC was on or not. But turn it on just to the fresh air setting. Go back. And there it is. Compressor spinning again. I think it's making some noise right now. Come back into the car, turn this knob to the point where it clicks, so it's in the off position. I'll show you the manual too. Once again, disengage, not turning. And here is the manual showing the operation of that switch number 10 right there. It says temperature switch. Switch on by turning to the right. Cooling effect increases infinitely until the switch reaches the stop. After 3/4 of the switch travel, the switch changes over from fresh air to circulation inside. But anyway, it says switch on by turning to the right. That's what I assume. I'm turning on my air conditioning by turning that knob to the right. Now, I just heard the noise again right after I shut the video off, and it's like a real loud knock now, whereas before it was more of a clatter. But as you can see, it's not turning right now, and I don't know where the noise would be coming from. Hopefully it is the air conditioner. But it stopped, and it's not making the noise anymore.